Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to make money on Clickbank with affiliate marketing step by step. So if you are a beginner in 2025, this guide will help you get started the right way. So first of all, you need to come at clickbank.com. So open your web browser and search for clickbank.com and sign up for a free account. Now, once you submit your request, you need to just choose your country, provide your basic details and set up your payment methods so that you could get paid over here after you are successfully able to create your account here. Now, once this step is done, your Clickbank dashboard will look something like this. This is your section where you will see all of your earnings. Now, we need to go to the affiliate marketplace here. So simply hover over to the left hand section and click on affiliate marketplace. Once this step is done, once you are on marketplace, you need to see a bunch of different offers here. So you can click on the top offers. You can sort the product by its gravity. So make sure that you select the high gravity product and the product that has the score of gravity above 30. You will see a bunch of different categories over here in the top, like health and wellness, spirituality, self-help, home and garden. So the category that you choose should fit your audience. You need to look for the recurring commissions or high payout offers. So whichever product you want to promote here, simply click on the promote option and provide your affiliate nickname here. Then you will see an affiliate link of yours which you can copy from here. Then you need to come on bit.ly.com or any other link shortener. You need to paste the link over here and click on get your link for free. So you are basically going to reduce the size of that affiliate link. After that, in order to promote your links, you can use free and paid both methods. Like you can use YouTube videos with the product reviews and tutorials. You can promote it on the Pinterest and blog posts, Facebook groups and Quora answers. You can track your clicks and you can optimize it with the help of the Clickbank dashboard. So this is the dashboard where you can basically see your combined earnings, and you can also check the traffic sources details and sales information here. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.